Pugs used to have longer snouts, straighter spines, and open airways in the 1800s, but breeders kept wanting shorter snouts and curlier tails. Brothers and sisters were bred together for these looks, and eventually this led to flatter faces, bulging eyes, and tightly curled tails. Their squashed noses stopped them from breathing, while their skulls put pressure on their brains. Their eyes can pop out from shallow sockets, and their curly tails twist their spines. And these problems get worse with each new generation, meaning if we keep going, pugs will eventually die out.